So hello everyone, in this video we are back with the Nova bot, and this Nova bot is crazy guys. This is the best bot right now, better than Trojan, and basically this bot is used by my friends like Uris, Zeus, Ofy, Orangi and many other. They use this bot, and basically this bot is very fast. And if you just see the 0x Sun, who just turned the $23 into like couples of millions, he used also this bot, and I also use this bot. Basically this is the insider bot, and there is very limited users. You can see there is only 1 lakh, only you can see there is only 100k users right now, and you can find their Twitter account, and there is you can find their US server. You can find the US server too here. You can find the Europe. It is up to you. Basically, which one you like, you can just choose this. And the first option is the buy with option, and the second option is the positions. You can see your positions right now. You can see your wallets. You can see your sniper. You can just limit order, copy trade. Everything is in this port. You can just use the Nova Click. Basically, if you just download the Nova Click here right now, you can see this is the extension for the Nova Click. If you just add to the Chrome, like now, just right now, just I am adding to the Chrome. You can see this extension has been added. So what is this? Basically, if you just trigger with the photon and use the Nova extension, you can just set the amount and enable Nova. You can just set the preset buy amount if you want. I am selecting the 0.5, and the preset sell amount is this, and the quick buy amount is like 0.01. As you can see, it's direct. If I just change this, it can also change this. For example, if I just choose this amount, it will show you the changing amount here. Like we change the amount here. Sometimes it's not just work, and sometimes it's just work. For example, if we just click on the enable Nova panel, click on the enable Nova panel. So right now it's enabled, and what you can see, if we just go here and just buy this coin here, as you can see, it's give me a clear overview. And just you need to know, just click on this $5 amount, $1 amount or Solana, and just you can just click with the single buy option. As you can see right now, it's failed. It can detect the coin and automatically buy the coin you like. For example, if we just see here, we just go back here, you can see there is no fund right now in my account. And what you can do is use this bot. It's a quite good bot, and you can learn here. So yeah, if you just go here, for example, if we just like this coin as an example, you can just go with 10 and just buy. And if you want to sell, it can immediately sell. Basically, it can see your screen and also the token addresses and something like that. I don't know how the hell it's work, but it's pretty much good. And this is the Nova Click, and this is the AFK. So basically what this does is like automatically buy into a new pump fund or radium token as soon as they launch. Basically what it does do, if you just see, there are many traders that are the insiders or the big one. What they just do here, if they have a large capital, if we just go head toward the birdeye.so, I can give you a clear overview. You can see there's a people like they have many and many of the the balance right now. If you can see, like 2.88 million trades right now. This guy just doing some trade. It's hold like Trump coin and also various. If we just click on here, you can see what I am trying to say. So you can see right in 3344 seconds they are buying this coin. Basically what they just do is they just using the no IFK, and it's quite a good task. You can assign with the new task. For example, if I just like to pump.fund, he can trade also the pump.fund. Basically you can just copy like thousands of wallets, and what it can do, it can just copy these strategies. And for example, I don't want to follow him. Basically what I can do is I just want to just copy trade him. So what, see how much money he is making in the single go. So basically you need to avoid these type of whales. But if you have the funds, for example, you have the millions of funds, you can use this. And it's a basically sort of gambling and he is doing. And if you just go to the Nova bot, if you just want to go to the Nova bot and just select the copy trade, let's start the let me just go to the mass add. Please enter the wallet as a list. For example, I just want to add one. He just start, and let's start the right now it's running. And if we have some balance right now, it will show me, it will automatically buy and sell these coins as the whales is buying and selling. It's very easy and better than Trojan, and anyone can use it. And basically if I want to delete, I can delete all these wallets and no copy trade task is found. And if we just want to like start, there is no nothing here, because I just delete all the tasks. And if I want to add multiple wallets, right now he is using, or he is copying the multiple wallets and he is using the Nova bot. I know basically this is only possible by the Nova trading bot. But it can do, it just get multiple wallet addresses. And when you just send the wallet addresses on the Nova bot, right now as you can see here, it will just give you an overview, how many of them you are putting. For example, if you put 10 whale addresses and they are buying in 1 minute they are buying different coins, so they will buy a different coin. This bot is actually very fast, and sometimes it's just quite very difficult to do some trading on this. And as you can see, he is buying so many these coins in very bulk. And yeah, so and also the other feature of the Nova bot I just like is the sniper option. So basically if I just want to sniper, you need to do just press click on the start, or you just need to give the token addresses to Nova bot. He will automatically snipe for you. And yeah, so if the bot isn't working, right now its bot is working on my on my settings on my server. As you can see, I am in UK right now. If your setting is not working or your bot is not working, you can try different backup bots here. And there are servers of wallets here right now. And I can just delete the wallet, import wallet, anything you want. You can just play with these settings as well. So this is the Nova bot, and Nova bot is absolutely crazy, guys. And yeah, so if you guys like my video, make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow me for more. And this is the auto buy feature. You can see this is only in the Nova bot. What it can do, it just auto buy the coin and auto sell the coin automatically. So right now these are my same settings: map protection on, sell on. Slippage settings is my, as you can see, like slippage is set to 50%. The reason is that I use high slippage on the Nova bot, basically on other account. So that's why basically I'm just doing copy trading on Nova bot because I have high capital. So that's why. So you guys can just choose what you want to do. If you want to Nova click, use the Nova click. There's also slight delay on the Nova click, but if you are using the manual things to buy and sell and take the positions, you can use this type of Nova bot, and it's pretty much good bot. Thank you guys for more video. And yeah guys, I am stuck on the 900 subscriber. Please just do it 1k as soon as possible, so we can make I can create more videos like for you. And after 10k I will create a community for you. So if you guys like my video, make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow me for more. Thank you, and stay tuned for more.